Hi, this is Dr. Daniel Yinh at the Center for Musculoskeletal Function, and today we're going to talk about our evidence-based solutions for back pain. The research shows that nearly everyone will have back pain at some point in their lifetime. Back pain can really alter our lives while it's present. It can alter our exercise routines, our daily activities, it can alter how we sleep, and how we move and function throughout the day. Therefore, it's understandable if your back pain has you irritable and frustrated. So now what? Thankfully, you have a method of care that helps you avoid medication and surgery whenever possible. Research has shown that the vast majority of patients respond positively to specific hands-on care like the type we provide here at this office. Recovering from a back injury can be very mentally tough. Many of us don't realize what we take for granted until an injury gives us a new perspective. But with the correct evidence-based care, you'll be back to your activities in no time. Over the past few years, there's been a considerable advancement in our understanding of the best approaches to back pain. For example, specific hands-on care has been shown to be better than most commonly prescribed medications. In a recent journal study, tissue-specific hands-on care provided more patients more relief than spinal injections. Researchers found that patients with low back pain and sciatica had just as much relief with tissue-specific hands-on care as they did with surgery. When recovering from a back injury, it's important to maintain a positive mental attitude, stick to your care plan, and don't push through pain. An evidence-based care plan puts you on the right trajectory so your body can heal the way it was meant to and you can get back to your life.